So good afternoon to all the participants and welcome back for the afternoon session. Hope your test went well. Can I get the responses?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Good afternoon. And
Very good
hope you
afternoon.
have filled the AICT feedback form as well as college feedback form.
Both we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
Yes,
Fill the
done,
form.
madam.
Okay, thank you so much. So we are really privileged that all the 5 days with your cooperation have gone so well. I could never make out that the FDP has really completed and I am again opening up for the valedictory. So our HOD madam is also going to join for our valedictory now. We put a request to principal sir also. He also will be joining. So my personal request to all the participants is any FDP will be having both pros and cons. We may not be perfect in everything and we may be perfect in few things. So we request all of you to please unmute, and if at all you are in comfortable positions, try to put your camera also on and give us a feedback if any change is required, or if you feel that this could have been done like this, then we will try to improve, take your feedbacks positively and make those changes in the coming FDPs. So it's up to you now, like you can take a call and whoever wants to share the feedback and all. HOD madam will join within a couple of minutes. So anybody would like to share your views? If you are in a comfortable zone, you can switch on your camera also. Shanavas sir, would you like to speak first?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon,
Sir,
everyone.
do you mind to switch on your cam, sir? We will take some screenshots when participants are speaking, sir. Just to give
Okay.
it, yeah.
So, I'm visible.
Yes, sir, you are visible.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I attended this FDP, and it's very privileged to me. I learned different new things, different technology, how to secure cloud, how to make an account on AWS, how to use EC2 instances, how to make virtual machine, which is I didn't know before. Actually, I'm also doing PhD in the same field, cloud computing. So thanks a lot, ma'am, for providing such type of FDPs. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you so much for your feedback, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Anybody else would like to speak? Few names have really become like acquainted to me in these 5 days.
Hello, madam.
Yes, ma'am. Bhavani, ma'am, please.
Hello, madam. This FDP was very good, and we could learn many things from this FDP, and we can help our students how to do the projects in cloud. It's very good. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Anybody would like to suggest us anything? Yeah, HOD ma'am has joined us. Ma'am, would you like to address the gathering, ma'am? Dr. Janaki, ma'am?
Ma'am, when will you conduct the next FDP?
Next FDP, I think we have to apply again, sir, because we have been sanctioned with one Atal FDP, which we have conducted. Yeah, we are having a short-term training program probably in the month of December. So I am having all these mail IDs. Definitely, we will post
Yes,
that.
yes. Please
Definitely, sir.
send the details. Okay.
Sure, sure, sir. Sure.
Thank you.
Madam, you are saying that we'll be having a special training on AWS in the yesterday's class.
Yes. So if you people are interested, kindly send me your requirements to my mail ID.
Okay, madam.
Then we will send you the complete schedule, ma'am. If at all you're interested, you can become one of our group member also to take the training.
Okay, madam.
Okay. Yeah, Janaki, ma'am, I request you to please address our participants and take their valuable feedbacks.
Sure, madam. My dear faculty members, hope you all enjoyed this lecture. Enjoyed means learning is one way of enjoying, right? we all still love to learn many, many new things. Because of your presence in this Atal FDP, this was very successful. That's what Madam also told me, that all the participants were very, very enthusiastic and very cooperative. Fortunately or unfortunately, no technical glitch was happened also. For that, we are thankful to the weather, to the internet, and to all my support team who helped this. Actually, when I attended a workshop for about a week, from 24th of August to 31st of say till 29th, almost 2.5 days were gone because of this technical glitch. Means 1 hour, 1.5 hour delayed and all. That was not happened in this. My happy congratulations to Dr. Madam, Ayesha Banu Madam, and Sukesh, Dr. Sukesh sir, and Shekhar sir. All these were there in this successful conduct of this particular program. Hope you got a good amount of knowledge in this cloud computing. One request from my side is, please utilize this for the development of the society. Because as per our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's words, when you talk to many people, then you can find many number of problems. One thing what I would like to say here is, when we ask anyone to do any research or anything, what problem can I do on this? What is that? From where do I search? We get thousands and thousands of problems when you speak to as many people as you like. So please talk to the many, whomever you happen to meet them. That's what Modi ji also told us. While traveling in the taxi also, or while traveling in any other vehicle also, he used to talk to them, what problems you are facing it, in what way you are leading your life and all. We generally don't prefer to talk to anyone, right? We wanted to keep quiet and we wanted to complete our task and get lost. Then go home. But as much as you speak, you get more amount of inputs, and then you can really work on that. So one of my scholars' problem was a realistic problem, what I felt when transaction and all. And then immediately I worked on it and we applied for a patent also in the same connection. Okay. So please use this knowledge for the growth of the society. That's my sincere request to one and all. And to all the participants, any constructive suggestions are there, please come up. Please give your opinion on this. We will definitely rectify them and we'll try to do in a much better fashion in the forthcoming events. Please suggest any constructive suggestions. Once again, thank you to Dr. Ayesha Banu Madam, to the participants and to the team also for the successful completion of this program. Thank you, Madam. We are all listening for your suggestions.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I request the participants to please convey your suggestions, your feedback. Whatever it is, we are adaptable. We will definitely take it in a positive way. Dr. Prakash, sir, would you like to share your feedback, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable to on your camera, sir?
Yes,
We'll take
screenshot. Already I have left all works between 2 to 4. And already I have given all lecture or all these things.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Just I have a few words which I want to share. And in fact, in 5 days, it was a very informative session, and I think we learned a lot. In fact, ma'am, according to me, already I have completed PhD last 6 years before, and my topic was also a cloud computing, and very few topics we learned, and new topics we learn in this FDP program. And as a teacher, learning is never an ending process in a life. And and you are very good coordinator. You always help to students and started the session on a time, and everything is positive. And in fact, Vinod sir also he took to the classes of AWS. It's a very fantastic. In fact, he personally he called to me in the evening. Prakash sir, are you satisfied? Any class, any doubts in last classes or like? So very fantastic. And, thanks a lot. Again, suppose this college will be organized any session, so definitely suppose college will invite to me, so definitely I will join. Thanks a lot.
Sure, Prakash sir. We will be holding all your mail IDs with us, all 200 participants. Yes. Whenever our college is hosting any other program, we will personally send you mails, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. Any more participants? Shekhar Kausalya sir is here. Shekhar sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, Nagarajan
yes,
sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Nagarajan from Galgotia University.
Yes, sir.
Actually, that I'm doing a research in the cloud security. So I got so many ideas that FDP and new direction. That is, this FDP is given a new direction to me and to proceed further my research work. Thank you, ma'am. And also your cooperation is very good.
Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, Shekhar sir.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank all of you and your team for arranging such a wonderful workshop, ma'am. Really, I got most of the knowledge from the workshop. Personally, I like the hands-on session which was taken by the Vinod sir, because that is the actual thing which is rare to get from any workshop. Although all the previous sessions are also good, those are theory sessions like we have taken from Krishna sir and other sirs. Those gives us the idea about all the things that may be necessary for the practical sessions and all those things. I would like to suggest one thing just. If possible, ma'am, next time, like sir said that you are going to arrange a hands-on session, totally hands-on session. So I'm also interested in that. So we'll contact you regarding later. But for workshop, the hands-on sessions are very important. And during this period, actually, Vinod sir also called me in the evening, and they was asking like whether you got the knowledge, how was the session, and how do you think other people are learning. So time was little bit less for the practical sessions, and as the faculty or participants are from diverse field, means they are not from computer background, that's why they need some time to get the things while we are doing the hands-on. So if possible, from next time, the hands-on session should be little bit more time should be given to that, man.
Sure, Shekhar sir, will take care of that. Actually, we had to balance both the theoretical and practical sessions in the schedule of AICTE. So for that, we couldn't offer more than 6 hours. And what happened is like different kinds and different exposed people were coming here about cloud. So those who were new couldn't even open the ID. And those who already know were feeling that these all things we have already completed. So why can't we go to the next phase? And that's why, as our madam has already told you at the time of inaugural, that we are establishing a separate cloud computing lab from which we will be connecting throughout India participants and will be launching several hands-on sessions. So definitely you all will be our target participants first to be reached, sir, definitely. Because you have already come and you have attended our workshop and you know how things will go at our college level. So I will be personally sharing you these details. It may take 1 month and all, sir, somewhere, but once it is done, definitely I am going to inform all of you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you.
Anybody else would like to suggest us anything? Yeah, even I agree we could have given some more time for hands-on. We will try to rectify that. We are planning in near future some hands-on on cloud also. Some of them have posted their comments and feedbacks in the chat. They are also asking for some more hands-on. But I would really appreciate if anybody can really speak to us. Yeah, Dr. Sangeeta ma'am, a mic issue at your end. Oh. Zabiha Khan ma'am says, thank you for the informative and wonderful session, especially. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Anybody else would like to share your views? Senthil sir is here. Senthil sir. No one. Okay, then I take the privilege of proposing a vote of thanks on behalf of Vagdevi College of Engineering, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. The first person who has to be thanked here is my HOD man herself, who has been right from day one encouraging me. You apply for the scheme, whether it comes or no is a secondary matter. And fortunately, her blessings and wishes, I got this fund. This is the first kind of Atal FDP or AICT FDP which I am coordinating. So ma'am already is experienced in all this. So she helped me out how to start, how to move on. And her great support was there even till this moment with me. Thank you so much, ma'am. I would like to thank my colleagues, especially to mention three of them, Dr. Tanveer Jahan ma'am, Dr. Sukesh sir, and Shekhar sir. Right from day one, they have been with me in every walk I am taking. From the sanction letter till this proposal of vote of thanks, every moment I used to discuss with three of them, take their suggestions, what to do, how to do. They also helped me a lot. Therefore, just to help me, Shekhar sir has enrolled here as a participant. Thank you so much, Shekhar sir, Tanveer ma'am, and Sukesh sir. Our head of the institution, principal sir, also always says, apply. This is a platform where we can really showcase our institution. And one very positive thing of this FDP compared to all other is being online. When it was offline, many of them other than AP, Telangana and all were hesitant to come to our college, stay here and listen to the sessions. But these all barriers are wiped out today. And throughout India, we are having so many participants that I really feel overwhelmed to see all of you. Thank you so much. And I really thank AICTE for sanctioning this fund to our college and making me as a coordinator. I feel and hope that I have fulfilled all the measures taken as suggested by them. And I thank all the participants, each and every participant taking your name. Thank you so much, right from inaugural to this valedictory. You people have really supported so much. You were coming on time. No disturbance, like anything, very calmly, quietly typing in the chat box, not disturbing the class, listening properly. Thank you so much. But still, maybe there were some shortfalls from our side, like sessions were starting 5-10 minutes late, or we may not meeting your expectations in hands-on. We will try to rectify all these in coming up sessions. Thank you so much. And all those who have maintained 80% of attendance, and your examination score was in front of you, you have scored 60%, and you have filled your feedback form, then from Monday onwards, AICTE will start processing all the certificates. So in that week, any part of the time, you can expect your certificate directly into your portal itself. You can download. Okay. Instructions given to us are by today evening, we have to update the marks and attendance and see that every participant fill the feedback form. Then they will start the processing from Monday, and within a week, they will give away all the certificates to all successfully qualified participants. And all the video sessions, lectures have been already posted into the YouTube channel, except these two which have been completed today morning. By end of the day, I'm going to post them also, along with this valedictory section video also. So thank you one and all. Thank you so much. My warm regards and greetings. I will be waiting for another chance to host and invite all of you into this family of Vagdevi as participants. Thank you so much.
Thank
Have a
you.
good evening. Shankar sir, would you like to share your feelings, sir, here? Dr. Shankar Lingam sir from Chaitanya University.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Yeah, please, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Okay.
Okay, then, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being present for this valedictory. If any queries at any part